For today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix if there's no sound on YouTube on Windows 11. To start, first you need to do is to click the volume icon at the bottom. Make sure it is not muted. Try to adjust the volume if it is working. If it's not working, do this. First, you need to click the search bar, then search for this. Make sure that the browser running YouTube is not muted. Other method is to go to youtube.com, then right-click on the tab, and check if it is muted or not. Just click the unmute this side, and by this, it may now help you fix your no sound error in YouTube. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.